Welcome to DynaMaker features, Revolve and Helix. Did you know that you can perform revolves in DynaMaker? Revolves are convenient when a certain geometry can be modeled at once without the need of additional extrusion or cuts. All you need for a revolve is its profile as a sketch, the plane where the sketch will start from, and the axis on the plane you want your profile to rotate around. If we take the example of a piston, we can do its head as a revolve from a simplified profile, as we see here in this preset 2D. Starting from a parametric model and a reference plane in the y-axis, we can do a revolve from the model using model.addRevolve, with its main inputs being the base sketch and the reference plane. We can also decide the axis direction, where the profile will rotate around within said plane, and the revolve angle to see how the revolution is actually performed. As for the helix, you can use the third optional argument, pitch per revolution, as the distance between whole revolutions. You can use negative values to decide on the direction of the revolution, translate the sketch to move it further from the revolution axis, and use model.addRevolveCut to perform the inverted CAD operation. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.